Us off this morning, a strong storm front ripped through the south yesterday, bringing in heavy winds, rain, hail, and even some tornadoes. Here in the Chattahoochee Valley, the aftermath, the storm caused power outages, downed trees, and some extensive damage as well. A tornado struck areas in Troup County. Our News 3 cameras captured some of the damage in a LaGrange neighborhood. The Lexington subdivision, located off Upper Big Springs Road, saw roofs ripped off homes and debris scattered across yards. Elisa Winston and her husband were at home when the tornado struck around 3 yesterday afternoon. They were unhurt, and they say as soon as they heard the storm coming, they ran to safety.
The rain picked up, the wind also gathered kind of high, and it was thundering and lightning. And the next thing we heard was a boom, and we were standing in our dining area, and we saw the neighbor across the street roof lift up and come toward this way, and we immediately ran to safety in our bedroom, in the closet, and we were on the floor, and what we could hear was like loud. It was almost like a train was in the house, and the house was shaking.
And more storm damage could be seen just a few miles from the Lexington subdivision right there. The wall of a business located on U.S. Highway 27 collapsed. The debris smothered a car parked next to the building that you see right there on your screen, which is not far from Troup County High School. Now, power poles were snapped, power lines were down in the vicinity, and traffic lights went out.
This video captured by Rafael Cisneros shows a tornado north from the Great Wolf Lodge in LaGrange Thursday around 4 p.m. In the distance right there, you can see debris being swept up by the tornado.
Now, because of the destructive weather, all Troup County government offices will observe a 2-hour delayed start today and will open for business at 10 a.m. Now, this is in an effort to provide some additional flexibility for affected staff there. Troup County schools and district offices will be closed today, too, because of widespread power outages and damage reports all across the county.
Over in Alabama, Governor Kay Ivey called a state of emergency in response to the severe weather. The counties affected are Autauga, Chambers, Coosa, Dallas, Elmore, and Tallapoosa, where they saw the storm damage hit the hardest.
And over in Autauga County, Sheriff David Hill says that at least 6 fatalities were confirmed and an estimated 40 homes were damaged or destroyed by that tornado. Now, several mobile homes were launched into the air and at least 12 people were injured severely enough to be taken to hospitals by emergency responders.
Mobile, Alabama saw homes damaged and destroyed in the aftermath of the storm. At least 5 homes were reported completely demolished just south of Mount Vernon. A witness in the area described seeing a mobile home lifted into the air, then tossed back to the ground. Uprooted
trees decorated houses and blocked off roads in the Selma, Alabama neighborhood. The storm causing major damage to homes and businesses all around that area. It also damaged 2 mobile homes on Highway 22 in Oroville. People were inside both trailers when the storm hit. Now, they have both miraculously survived. As of this morning, a total of 7 fatalities have been reported as a result of the storm front. 1 person died in Middle Georgia when a tree fell in a car during the storm. Now, the other 6, those coming from Autauga County. So stick with News 3 as we work to get updated information on the aftermath of yesterday's deadly storm.
Meteorologist Nicole Phillips will now join us. And Nicole, what can we expect for the rest of the day? Hopefully not seeing any more of that severe weather in our area, right?
No, we're done with the severe weather. That's great news. It was a busy day. Here's a look at all of the storm reports that we had. Numerous tornado reports, damaging wind reports. We even had some hail reports in there and some wind gusts as well. So it was busy. That front that caused